How to delete contacts, photo, and poster in Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and I'm here to guide you on how to delete contacts, photo, and poster in Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Contact app on your device. Select the contact which you want to delete the photo and poster of. Now tap on the edit icon in order to get access to the edit contact section. So simply you have to choose the remove icon at top right corner, which is underneath the picture of a particular contact. When you select the remove option or the icon, automatically the picture or poster will be deleted of this contact. So similarly, you can tap on the save icon at top right after you have done that, and then you will easily delete contacts, photo and poster in Android. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.